Salient features of DNA. DNA is composed of two polymers of the nucleotides. These two polymers, they run anti-parallel to each other. The molecular structure of the DNA resembles to a staircase. In DNA, there are complementary bases where A always pairs with the T while G always pairs with the C. The genetic information in the DNA is found in the linear structure of the nucleotides. The genetic information which is present on the DNA is for the production of the proteins. DNA forms two antiparallel strands which are held together by a bonding. The name of that bonding is hydrogen bonding. DNA replicates. The process of the replication of the DNA is the hydrogen bonding breaks between the two strands, and each strand acts as a parental strand, and that parental strand produces its complementary strand. This is the structure of the double helix of DNA, where we can see that there are two polymers of the nucleotides. On one of the polymer there is 3' end, which is also called as 3' end, and at the end of this polymer there is 5' end. 3' end is due to the carbon number 3 of the pentose sugar, while 5' end is due to the carbon number 5, which is empty, of the pentose sugar. This polymer is 3 to 5. This strand runs from 3 to 5 direction, while the other strand, it is anti-parallel to the first strand. In this case, this end is 5' end, while its second end is called as 3' end. So DNA is a double helix structure that consists of two strands of polymer of the nucleotides, and both the polymers, they run anti-parallel to each other. If we see the structure of a nucleotide, because nucleotide is the building block of the DNA, a nucleotide consists of three parts. One is the 5-carbon sugar. This is 5-carbon sugar, carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, carbon number 4, and here is carbon number 5. So 5-carbon sugar, which is also called as pentose sugar. Nitrogen containing base is attached at carbon number 1, while the phosphate group is attached at carbon number 5. So nucleotide contains three components. One is pentose sugar, second one is nitrogen containing base, which is attached at carbon number 1 of the pentose sugar, and phosphate group, which is attached at carbon number 5 of the pentose sugar. We can conclude that DNA is composed of two polymers of the nucleotides. These two polymers, they run anti-parallel to each other.